My knees dey ground. I beg, forgive me. Na devil. Forgive me for what? Na devil. I won't make you forgive me. Everything I don't do to you in this whole world, forgive me.
What is it?
Hey.
Talk now.
Chinasa, it's the devil. Why go do am? Why? What you go make me do am? Na devil.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Hey.
Then please say something.
I go talk. Why they go control me? Now why they go use do this kind of thing? Chinasa, forgive me. Biko. I beg, I beg.
You are fine.
I'm fine.
You are okay.
Hey.
So, now what is it?
Otajele, I beg. Otajele, forgive me, Chinasa. Forgive me, I beg.
What's going on here?
I don't know. He has been saying forgive me. He has not said any reasonable thing.
I go talk.
Then talk!
Otajele, Chinasa dey innocent. She don't do anything. That picture I show you that time. I miss snap am. Everything what I tell you say that man they do with Chinasa. Na lie. Na the man pay me say ma do am. Why I go do am? Why?
Jude, what did I do to you?
Nothing, no.
How did I offend you? Jude, what is...
Hey.
Jude, why?
Hey.
Jude, why? Tangele, have you seen it now? I mean, do you trust me now? Let's go back to where we were before, please. I mean, I can't live without you. I can't do without you. You're all that I think of. You're all that I dream of. Please. Please. Angeli, please. I mean, you're...
Hey. Just pause that music there. Don't even come close to me. So if I allow you, you touch me.
But Angeli...
Otagene. Otapiapia. Otangelo otapiapia. Don't come close to me. Can we do what? You are married and you are married. That's the final.
My son, listen to me, Otangele. I'm your mother. Please, forgive her. He's my son.
Otangele,
you can see this is the devil that came.
It's the devil, it's the devil.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Hey.
Mama, fine, you are my mother. I should listen to you. But in this case, my hands are tied. There's nothing I can do. This lady here is married.
No.
Alana Soya and someone for me. Go back to your husband.
I'm not mentally connected with him. Please. You're all that I want. I am not mentally connected with him. I'm spiritually, physically, emotionally connected with you. Please, you're all that I yearn for. Please. Please.
My bedengwa. Onye rapper. Mentally, physically. You are not connected with him.
I am not.
But you accepted to be with him.
No.
You have been living with him. Now you are not connected. How possible is that? When you got home, Jericho, you are higher. When you want to go back to your husband. You are married. Or better still, Jude is here.
No.
Look, if you touch my libido, Maga can libido go. Nonsense.
Hey.
Evil word.
Mama.
It's okay.
Mama, I can't live without him.
It's okay. He's still very upset. I will talk to him. Just go back to your mother. I will talk to him. He will surely come back to you.
Just go back. Let them go.
Shut up! Go back.
It's the devil now. It's the devil.
Destroyed my life!
It's okay.
Mama, help me beg. I'm not devil. How they gonna use me? Do this guy thing. How they gonna use me?
Calm down.
Hey.
Go to your mother's house.
Just go. Let everywhere be calm first. Everywhere you go back to the marriage. I'm sorry. They didn't use me. Oh my God, never see this guy thing. Sorry, no first. Just go. Let everywhere calm down. Don't use me. Just go. Sorry. That is me too much. Love of money. It's love of money that's doing me.
What kind of thing is this? You allow the devil to use you.
I don't know. They control me, Mama. They control me. Because me, I know myself. I cannot stoop so not to be used. Don't use me like that. See, fine. I don't get marriage.
You cannot go back to your house.
Eh?
You can go back.
Mama, I want make you forgive me. I don't change.
I have forgiven you. Just go. Leave my compound.
You don't forgive me.
Yes.
No, Mama, I beg. As I don't change now. Thank you, Jesus, for saving my soul. Food inside.
Food? Inside? Which house?
Get up, my friend! Get up!
I don't change now. Let me say, forgive me.
Get up! Leave.
Why they go use me this guy?
I said you should leave.
I
You better go
don't
again.
I don't like this. I don't like this thing. Why would I use me? Why would I use me?
Kill you there.
Why would I use me? Oh, Therefor abuse me now. No, not this remaining. They're selling everything. No, it's not me. Oh. Hey, do don't back up on anything.
Hey! What is that I am hearing? Huh? Yeah! Are you telling me that Otangele looked into your face and came up with such a statement? Huh?
Igwe, what you're hearing is truth. Otangele has gone haywire. He's no longer the Otangele we used to know in this town.
Hey!
In fact, as I speak to you now, Igwe, he's in the town destroying people's property. He has destroyed Nkwobi's shop in the town.
To that extent?
He is no longer the Otangele we used to know in this town. Absolute power corrupts.
Hey! Oh, don't worry. I will have to clip his wings.
Wow. You deserve that.
We made him so we can as well destroy him.
Can you
imagine?
Surprise.
Now listen to me. Go straight to him and tell him that enough is enough. That I have made a statement. It is a royal order.
Wow.
Look at him.
He deserves every punishment that will be meted to him. It's too much. His own has gone out of hand.
My dear, how are you? I can see you're looking very good, you know. Who is that? Let him in, let him in. Please, hold it there. What are you doing in my compound?
My love.
Who is your love? Take it, wait. Take it slowly.
I am so sorry, okay? I don't know what came over me. Please. My king, please. Just forgive me, please.
So right now, I'm now your love.
You are my word. You're my everything. Baby, please.
Let me tell you. Before you think you are the only Igbo in this village, right? You don't know there is another Igbos in this village too.
Tell her.
As a matter of fact, this is my wife to be. As you can see, she's even pregnant.
Please.
What?
Baby, please.
Please what?
Ah,
thank you.
You hear him?
One cow granota.
Yeah. Please, sir, please, I beg, please. Please, sir, please, because for the sake of my child, please.
Madam, will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut up your mouth? Shut it. Did I ask you to give birth to a child? Eh?
Please, sir.
Federal gutter wants to pass through your shop.
Please,
I said it before. This is order from the federal, not from me.
please,
I am only carrying out my duty as a councillor.
please, sir.
I don't have anything to do with this shop. Neither do I have anything to do with the other one. But in the shop, I get short here, Buwari Hotel, Kwataya, Shinga, Urugota, Walando, Bodai Gota. For development.
Please.
What is so hard for you to understand? Will you sit for me? Boys! Move inside and bring, pull her things out.
Sir, please,
Pull
please.
her things out.
Sir, please, have mercy on me, please, sir, please, sir.
Take it out.
Please,
This shop is going down. This particular shop. Gota Geshinga Agape.
please, sir, sir, please, please.
Out! Take it out. Yes.
Please, sir, please, sir. Sir,
Take that for
please, sir, please, sir, please.
Let's stop. What's that? Otangele, what's the problem?
Hey,
You need to stop now. Igwe sent me to you to stop this activities of yours. Tell your guys to leave this place right now. What's the problem?
Are you done shouting? Are you done ranting like a dog? Remember, you are talking to an honorable. An honorable. #1 citizen of this community. The name given to me from the federal and not from any other place. How dare you shout at me? Who is your Igwe to order me around? No, who is your Igwe? A local Igwe that his power ends in this community? I have a federal power and I have every right to do whatever I want to do anytime, any day. So please, mind it. Igwe sent you to come and call me. Okay, where is your warrant?
It's an order from Igwe.
Where is the warrant?
And nobody disobeyed Igwe in this town. And you can't start it because you're a councillor. Just councillorship, that's you, ordinary councillor like you. You are just disturbing the whole town. Terrassing the whole area here. You are giving us the gota contract. Is that the only one we can bring from Abuja?
Are you talking back at me?
Yes.
Are you talking back at
Yes.
me? Are you talking back at me?
You slapped me. I thought you slapped me.
And I will do it again.
You slapped me.
I will do it again if you
slapped me in chamber.
Yes, I will do that.
Igwe must hear this.
Let the governor hear it.
Igwe must hear
Let
this.
the governor hear it.
Because you're a councillor.
Out!
Ordinary councillor.
Out of this place.
You are terrorizing the whole town because of councillorship. What about when you become a governor? What will happen? Igwe will hear this.
Come out!
You will hear from us.
Get out!
You will hear from us. You will hear from us.
And you are watching. All of you are watching.
Sir, please, now,
Wait,
sir,
wait.
please,
Come on,
sir,
get
please,
out.
sir, please.
Out! Get out! Guys, please get ready. Let's start going.
So how dare you walk out on me, Angela? So this is really you. I was talking to you and you walked out on me. Eh?
My king, this is not a matter of shouting. Your throne room is very hot. And besides, I'm done with you. What will I be sitting there doing? I am done. Please, I have other appointments.
I am yet to understand the kind of honorable you said you are. I don't understand you at all. For how can you go out there and start destroying people's properties at these hard times? What has come over you? What has entered you? Why are you this wicked?
Your Highness, I am not being wicked. And the earlier you understand that, the better. That I am doing the government work. And if you must do this work very well, you have to act as someone who has no conscience.
So doing your work very well also entails you slapping an elderly man that is on royal errand. Is that?
My king, he was trying to stop me from carrying out my duty from the higher authority. And I have to face that to Yakantakrik isi joy. I'm going to kenye ba joso. Ako ya joy ife. Ade me madu kan ne ku igwe. Huh?
Angela, I pity you. I pity you because I thought that you are somebody. Little did I know that you are a chameleon. Look at you. Don't worry. I will also tell you that I'm the one that put you on that seat.
Your Highness, please, point of correction. Point of correction. You never put me on that seat. I was voted. For that reason, allow me to do my work. Allow me to execute my mandate.
If that is the way you are looking at it, I would still tell you that I'm the one who has been feeding you. Yes, And if you talk further, I will make sure that I stop that so that you go hungry. You will go hungry. Yes. You cannot bite the finger that fed you. That's right.
Your Highness, you will do nothing. Yes.
Okay. Come on, get out! Look at this fool. Chameleon. Come on, get out. Why use you as an example? Huh? Otangele?
Where is your car? What happened to your car? Why are you... This one you came back without your car. Any problem? Huh? What is wrong now?
What is it? Must you ask every question? Where is your car? Why are you like this? How many questions will I ask at once?
Sorry. So what is wrong with you now? Look at your face. Huh?
Is it not that you're stupid, Igwe? Is it not that stupid, Igwe?
What did Igwe do?
They have removed me from the seat.
Eh?
Yes. I'm no longer a councillor.
Hey! They have removed you. You're no more councillor.
I was impeached.
I said it to you. I told you. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. You will not listen. Now, see. See what has happened. What did you do?
What did I do? What did I do that nobody has done it before? I told you people before that Igwe is using charm. Who knows some watch, no one in your church. That Igwe is a wicked Igwe. He will not die better. Go log and one we hear and where
I warned you.
Igwe went and I wrote petition against him. And they pulled me off. They collected everything. They frozen my account. They did everything. Both money, both cars, everything that I... Don't worry. This is just the beginning. You don't know who I am. People think I'm just an ordinary councillor. You don't know that while I was a councillor, my eyes was on other things. Agma draft. What can I do like this? Yeah, man, some man call me. Go and give me food first.
Food.
It's the food.
You want to eat my food? Since you became councillor, I didn't eat any food in this house. Even ordinary water, drink. If you don't eat from restaurant, you go and eat inside hotel, or you go to eatery. Do you enter this house to eat? You now want to eat my food, Otangele? Eh?
Mama, please swallow the pride and give me food.
Eh? Pride?
Go and give me food.
Hello? Who has to swallow pride between me and you? As a matter of fact, if you feel like eating, you can go to the kitchen. And eat.
You expect a councillor?
You are no more a councillor.
Thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip.